Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on 8-ball pool notification. So let's get started. First, launch open settings on a mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Now select manage apps option. Scroll down until you find 8-ball pool option. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on notifications option. To turn on 8-ball pool notification, enable show notifications option. And this is how you can turn on 8-ball pool notification. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.